Secrets of scaling. Three components to success in scaling business systems. If you want to stop working in your business and start working on your business, like Michael Gerber, the author of the E-Myth books, talks about, you have to learn to scale. Scaling isn't difficult once you understand three components that are needed for success. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you these components and explain how to use them to take your business to that next level and expand what you're capable of producing with your business. So the three components we're going to talk about are systems, people, and innovation. So let's get started. Systems, the first component of your success in scaling, knowing, defining, and refining your systems. You get this one right, and the other two are going to fall right into place. You screw it up, and you're going to have a difficult time unwinding the mess that you made. Fortunately, there's a system for defining and implementing systems. And let's review what's necessary to analyze and implement successful systems in the next few slides. I'm even going to throw in a mini exercise so you can kind of get your feet wet and get a feel for what it takes to define and set up your own systems. Systems are the lifeblood of your business. They define what you do as a business and how you do it. Everything, and I mean everything in your business, needs to be covered by a system. You need to think of them as the owner's manual for your business so that anyone off the street can just walk in, read it, and execute your business flawlessly. Every detail of your business, from how you create your products or deliver your services or how you even process payments from clients, needs to be covered by a system. And it only takes one to start. Choose one of the systems that you're responsible for and know front to back, just cold. You know this, how the system works. You can do it in your sleep. And this is going to be your first step towards scaling. I want you to take that system and create a checklist. One step for each step in the procedure. And I didn't want it to be super small and ludicrously specific. You can edit down the steps later if something's redundant or not necessary, but I want you to get as explicit as possible building out this checklist. You want to be in micromanager mode at this point. That way, with it as detailed as possible, your checklist is going to be bulletproof. Now, when you're comfortable with that checklist and you walk through it several times and you know that it works and there's no gaps in it, you can do some magical things here. You can take that checklist and delegate it to someone, have them perform it, and you've immediately taken that responsibility off your plate and given yourself extra capacity to do more of what you do best in your business, helping it grow. Or even better yet, you can automate that checklist. And automation is the ultimate form of delegation. You know it's going to happen the same way every time, rain or shine. The system will run the same way and produce the same results. So you've taken your first step once you've completed this. One process is where it all starts, and as you repeat this process with the other systems in your business, you're going to get better and better at it, and you're going to get more comfortable with it, and you are going to be amazed at the kind of results you're getting as you systematize your business. Which takes us to the next component: people. Who is going to use your system and what are they going to use it for? No system or automation has value without people, either the people that are executing the steps or the people that are receiving benefit from a system that's running. The groups of people you want to think about when thinking about scaling for people are your internal team members and your external clients or customers. As your business grows, those groups are going to grow, and you're going to encounter capacity issues and cost issues when it comes to these people. Your goal should always be to reduce the burden on people, internal or external. And when you're doing this, you're designing systems that can scale theoretically as large as you want them to. People are the key ingredient in your systems. Think about who your systems serve. Who are they? Who are the internal users, external users? What benefit comes from being involved in your systems? Typically, when you think of benefit, you're thinking of customers or clients, can be some internal users, but the more value you provide with your systems to customers and clients, the more they're going to want to interact with those systems, and the more likely they are to tell their friends and neighbors about how easy it is to do business with you. And that's what draws in more business, more people into your system and grows your company. Focus on that user experience and do your best to make your systems as light as possible. And what I mean by light is easy to use interfaces, intuitive interfaces, uh, don't require a lot of hocus pocus to make things work. Customer, client, internal team member can just sit down and do what they need to do with your system without jumping through a lot of hoops. And on top of that, maximize the value of using those systems. A system that's easy to use, that doesn't accomplish much, doesn't really get people excited about using it, doesn't help spread the word. But if with a click of the button, someone is in essence waving a magic wand to get their wishes granted, they're going to be excited about that. They're going to tell people about that. Um, they're going to continue using your systems, and they're going to draw others into your systems. You focus on that kind of experience, and you are doing what comes next, which is innovation. Innovation means you are doing what it takes to adapt your systems to make them more effective and more efficient. Innovation is what's going to take your business, its systems, and your efforts to scale to the next level. You need to ask yourself every day, what are you doing to make your business more effective and more efficient? That's the key to innovation, and innovation is the capstone in effectively scaling your business. Systems should be living systems. They shouldn't be set in stone. They need to breathe and grow. There's always improvements that can be made. Don't ever fall into the trap of good enough. Your competitors are waiting for that day when you become complacent and go with the status quo, then they're going to pounce. Never stop innovating or you will suffer the consequences. Commit to innovation now and for the rest of the life of your business. Stay focused on it and you will continually add value to your customers and remove costs from your business. You shouldn't ever be afraid to change or replace a system with something better. And you should always be thinking about what's better than what I have now. When you've reached that point and focus on innovation, you'll have the mindset that allows you to continually scale your business. You'll go through this cycle over and over again of what system should I have? How does that serve people? And how can I innovate and improve on those systems? And you'll just build momentum and build more momentum, and your business will grow and scale from that point. So, what's ahead? If you heard all of this and are ready to get started, but don't quite know where the first milestone is for your business, that's where I can help. I offer a jumpstart conversation, 1 hour. We get on the phone and we talk through where you are, what your goals are, what you want to do with your business, and I help you in that session find that first step and the next step on your road towards scaling your business. Just use that click here, book now link to schedule that 1 hour coaching session with me. We're going to go through your business and develop the ideas you need to start taking you out of the day to day and helping you work more on your business than in your business. So those slots fill up pretty quickly. So go ahead and book now. And I look forward to talking to you.